Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Microsoft Edge and going straight to Settings. This is where Preferences live. Click the three dots in the top right, then choose Settings. Make sure you're in the correct profile if you use multiple accounts because defaults apply per profile. Once done, locate the Start, Home, and New Tabs section. It's the control center for startup behavior. This first step gets you to the controls you'll change, so don't skip verifying your profile and open the right menu now. Now you configure exactly what Edge shows on startup, which is the heart of setting a default page. In the Start, Home, and New Tabs area, pick Open Specific Page S to set a dedicated home page. Click Add a new page, type the full URL including https:// and press Add. This ensures Edge opens that page on launch. Alternatively, choose Continue where you left off to restore tabs. Make sure entries are correct and include the protocol, because finish by aligning the Home button with your startup page so you have a consistent default. Enable Show Home button, enter the same URL, and save. Then test. Close Edge completely and reopen to verify the page opens as expected. If it doesn't, make sure the URL was entered correctly, clear cache, and disable extensions that might redirect. Extensions or sync conflicts often override startup settings. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or restart your device to reset syncing behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.